A watch isn't just an accessory. It's one of the few things a man can wear every day that speaks volumes about who he is. Especially after 40, your timepiece should reflect your confidence, experience, and refined style. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend a fortune to look the part. There are watches that deliver luxury looks, quality craftsmanship, and timeless design without the hefty price tag. Let's look at 11 watches that will elevate your style and make you look like a true gentleman without breaking the bank. 1. The timeless essential, Timex Waterbury Classic. Leather strap watch. Let's start with a true essential. If you're a man over 40 and you don't already own a leather strap watch, this is your wake-up call. Because here's the thing, nothing says elegance like a clean dial paired with a classic leather band. It's old-school charm mixed with timeless versatility, and the Timex Waterbury Classic delivers that perfectly. What makes this piece special isn't that it's trying to stand out, it's that it doesn't have to. The design is minimal in the best way. Easy to read indices, a crisp dial, and a case that sits comfortably on the wrist without demanding attention. It's the kind of watch that whispers class instead of shouting for it. And then there's the strap. Rich leather that gives off that vintage gentleman vibe. You pair this with a navy blazer, a white Oxford, and a tailored pair of chinos. You're instantly the best-dressed guy in the room without trying too hard. Even better, this watch transitions flawlessly from business casual to weekend smart. Throw on a cashmere sweater and jeans, maybe even a suede bomber, and it still feels right at home. The Timex Waterbury isn't just a watch. It's the foundation of a great collection. The kind of piece you reach for over and over again because it just works. Understated, reliable, and quietly sophisticated, just like the men who wear it. 2. The bold blue statement. Citizen Promaster Automatic Dive Watch. Now let's turn up the volume a little with something that makes a statement without going overboard. The Citizen Promaster Automatic Dive Watch is what I'd call a bold gentleman's timepiece. It grabs your attention with its deep ocean blue dial, but still keeps things refined. That blue is no accident. It's designed to stand out. It's not just some cheap, painted-on hue. It has depth and tone that shift subtly in the light. And it's perfectly complemented by the silver-toned stainless steel bracelet and rotating bezel, giving it that luxurious, high-end dive watch look. But here's where it gets even better. This isn't your typical quartz battery watch. This is automatic. That means it powers itself through the natural movement of your wrist. No batteries, no charging, just classic horology doing its thing. For a man who appreciates fine details and engineering, that alone makes this watch special. It's also surprisingly versatile. Sure, it has that sporty DNA, but wear it with a crisp polo and tailored chinos and you've got yourself a polished summer look. Throw a blazer over that and boom, your dinner date ready. Heck, even with a full suit, this watch can still hold its own thanks to its clean dial and robust silhouette. In short, the Citizen Promaster is for the man who wants something a little bolder, a little more masculine, and a whole lot more impressive, without having to flash a luxury brand name to get the point across. 3. The Gentleman's Dress Watch, Timex Marlin Automatic. There's something undeniably charming about a vintage-style dress watch, and the Timex Marlin Automatic captures that magic with ease. Inspired by the sleek, streamlined timepieces of the 1960s, this watch is the embodiment of quiet sophistication. Let's talk about the design first. Slim case, domed acrylic crystal, clean, uncluttered dial. Every element has been chosen to evoke that golden age of men's style, and when you wear it, it feels like you've tapped into something timeless, something that's been around long before smartwatches and flashy branding came into play. But it's not just the look, it's the mechanics too. This watch is automatic, which means it runs on movement. You wear it, it powers itself, no batteries, no fuss. And unlike a quartz watch, it has that soft, sweeping second hand that watch enthusiasts know and love. What really sets the Marlin apart, though, is the feeling it gives you. It's not the loudest watch in the room, but that's the point. This is the kind of piece you wear when you don't need to prove anything to anyone. It's for the man who knows exactly who he is and doesn't need to show off to feel seen. Pair it with a tailored suit, a wool overcoat, or even just a nice button-up and slacks. It brings an elevated tone to every outfit. And because of its modest case size, it tucks effortlessly under a cuff, making it the perfect choice for business settings, formal events, or date nights where the dress code calls for something a bit more refined. If you appreciate classic design and want a dress watch that feels as good as it looks, the Timex Marlin is a no-brainer. The statement piece, Gucci Dive, 18-karat gold and steel bracelet watch. Alright, now we're stepping into statement territory. The Gucci Dive watch with 18-karat gold accents and a steel bracelet isn't for the faint of heart. This is for the man who wants to stand out, a man who's built his confidence, earned his stripes, and now wears his success on his wrist. Let's be honest, Gucci isn't typically the first name you think of when it comes to serious timepieces, but that's exactly what makes this watch interesting. Unlike other fashion brands that phone it in, Gucci actually brought their A-game here. The construction is solid, the detailing is on point, and the use of real 18-karat gold gives it that undeniable luxury feel. The contrast between the brushed stainless steel and the warm gold tones is chef's kiss. It's bold without being gaudy, it's luxurious without being tacky, and it has that unmistakable Italian flair, stylish, confident, a little daring, but always classy. This is the kind of watch that turns heads, especially when paired with the right outfit. A fitted black dress shirt, slim dark trousers, and polished shoes. That's the kind of look this watch elevates. But it's surprisingly adaptable too. Even with a black tee, jeans, and Chelsea boots, it brings instant sophistication to the whole outfit. The Gucci Dive isn't for every man, but that's exactly why it works. It's for the man who's earned his place, who owns his style, and who isn't afraid to show a little gold. The rugged gentleman's choice, Hamilton Khaki Field Mechanical. Every man needs a watch that speaks to his adventurous side, but that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style. The Hamilton Khaki Field Mechanical strikes the perfect balance between rugged durability and refined simplicity. Originally designed for military use, this watch has roots in real-world toughness. But today it's evolved into a modern classic for men who appreciate utility and aesthetics. The matte black dial is clean and easy to read with bold numerals that glow in low light. It's straightforward and functional, exactly what a field watch should be. But don't mistake that minimalism for mediocrity. The detailing is sharp, the finishing is elegant, and the Nato strap adds a casual, masculine edge that works beautifully with modern wardrobes. Think waxed jackets, raw denim, leather boots. It all pairs seamlessly with this piece. What really elevates the Hamilton is its manual wind mechanical movement. In a world of smartwatches and battery-operated timepieces, winding your watch daily becomes a small but meaningful ritual. It connects you to the tradition of watchmaking, a craft that's more than just telling time. And make no mistake, this watch isn't just for hiking or weekends away. Wear it with a wool coat and scarf in the fall, or even under a casual blazer. It never feels out of place. The Hamilton Khaki Field is for the man who appreciates form and function, and wants a watch with character, history, and enduring appeal. The modern executive's power play, Seiko Men's Essentials, two-tone stainless steel watch. Two-tone watches are making a major comeback, and for good reason. They embody a certain level of sophistication that says, "I've made it," without shouting it from the rooftops. And the Seiko Men's Essentials. Two-tone watch gets it exactly right. Gold and silver together is a tricky combination. It can go wrong fast if it's not balanced. But Seiko nails the proportions here. The warm gold tone bezel and center links are perfectly offset by the cooler silver tones of the stainless steel bracelet and dial. It's bold, yes, but never gaudy. This is the kind of watch that works brilliantly with a navy suit or charcoal gray blazer. The gold gives it a hint of luxury, while the stainless steel keeps it grounded and wearable. In the boardroom, this watch looks like it cost 10 times more than it did. On the weekend, it adds polish to a casual button-up and jeans combo. And let's talk practicality for a moment. Seiko is known for reliability, and this piece is no exception. It's built to last with a sturdy case and a dependable quartz movement that keeps perfect time. Low maintenance, high impact, that's what makes it a winner. For the man who's in his prime and wants to reflect that in his style, this watch is a power move. It gives off that classic business mogul vibe without feeling dated or old-fashioned. If your wardrobe has matured, your watch should too, and this one fits the bill perfectly. The stealth luxury watch, MVMT Chronograph Bracelet Watch. There's something about an all-black watch that just hits different. Sleek, confident, mysterious. It's the timepiece equivalent of a tailored black tux or a perfectly cut leather jacket. The MVMT Chronograph Bracelet. Watch in all black captures that energy perfectly. Let's start with the aesthetics. The matte black finish on the case and bracelet is ultra-modern and minimal. It doesn't try too hard, and yet it always gets noticed. The chronograph dials add complexity and dimension, giving it that luxury sports watch look without the luxury price tag. This watch is all about the vibe. It's for the man who knows his worth and doesn't need to advertise it. It's quiet power, understated confidence, the kind of watch you wear to a late dinner, a rooftop party, or a big event where you want to make an impression without saying a word. And even though it leans toward fashion forward, it's built with enough substance to back up the style. The chronograph function adds functionality, the mineral crystal resists scratches, and the bracelet feels solid, not flimsy like many fashion watches in this price range. But the real magic is in its versatility. You can wear this with a black t-shirt and slim-fit jeans, or pair it with a charcoal suit and black loafers. It fits both worlds. If your personal style is modern, edgy, or minimalist, this watch is going to feel right at home on your wrist. It's the watch of a man who doesn't follow trends. He sets them. The sophisticated Swiss classic, Tissot Gentleman watch. Now we're stepping into serious watch territory. When you want that Swiss-made precision and quality without spending thousands, Tissot is the brand to know. And the Tissot Gentleman is one of their finest offerings in that mid-luxury range. This is a watch that doesn't scream for attention. It earns respect quietly. The dial is clean and elegant, with slim markers and hands that speak to restraint and precision. The stainless steel case is polished to perfection, and the sapphire crystal adds durability and a subtle shimmer that catches the light just right. But what really sets this piece apart is how it feels on the wrist. It's substantial without being bulky, dressy without being delicate. It's the kind of watch that gets compliments in meetings, at dinners, and even in casual conversation when someone spots that subtle Tissot on the dial and raises an eyebrow. This is a gentleman's watch in every sense of the word. It's ideal for business environments, weddings, special occasions, but don't be afraid to wear it every day. That's the beauty of a watch like this. It doesn't need a special occasion to shine. It makes the occasion feel special. Tissot has been around since 1853, and you can feel that heritage in this timepiece. Every line, every edge, every dial marker has intention behind it. It's refined, it's reliable, and it's rooted in one of the most respected watchmaking traditions in the world. For the man who appreciates luxury but doesn't need to flaunt it, the Tissot Gentleman is the definition of quiet prestige. The dependable daily driver, Citizen Eco Drive with black dial. Every man needs a go-to watch. The kind you can wear to the office, to dinner, to run errands, or even on a casual weekend outing. And the Citizen Eco Drive with black dial is that reliable, no-fuss, everyday timepiece. Let's start with the design. The black dial gives it a sleek, sophisticated edge, while the silver-toned stainless steel case and bracelet add just the right amount of polish. It's clean, modern, and completely versatile. Whether you're wearing a suit or a simple button-down and jeans, this watch fits right in. But what makes this piece truly stand out is Citizen's Eco Drive technology. Unlike most watches that need battery replacements, this one runs entirely on light. Any light, natural or artificial. That means you never have to worry about changing a battery again. It's a subtle feature, but one that speaks volumes about long-term practicality. And at 41mm, it has just the right wrist presence. Large enough to feel substantial, but not overpowering. The slim case profile lets it slide under a shirt cuff easily, making it an ideal companion for day-to-day wear. This is a watch that doesn't try to do too much. It simply gets everything right. It's clean, it's reliable, and it delivers a refined look without any flash. If you want a stylish, no-maintenance timepiece that will keep up with your lifestyle, the Citizen Eco Drive should be your everyday choice. The Intelligent Gentleman's Hybrid Withings Scanwatch Horizon. Let's face it, most smartwatches look like tech gadgets, not timepieces. And if you're a man of style, that's a problem. But the Withings Scanwatch Horizon offers a perfect solution. A luxury smartwatch disguised as a classic dive watch. At first glance, that you'd never guess this watch is packed with high-end health and fitness tracking. The stainless steel case, rotating bezel, and traditional analog dial all say luxury timepiece. But hidden within is a full suite of smart features: heart rate monitoring, ECG, sleep tracking, oxygen saturation, and more. It even includes a discrete digital screen embedded into the dial that displays your health data and notifications, without ruining the watch's classic aesthetic. And then there's the battery life, up to 30 days on a single charge. That's practically unheard of in the smartwatch world. No daily charging, no constant plug-ins, just a clean, smart, wearable experience that actually fits into a stylish man's life. Whether you're pairing it with gym gear, casual wear, or even business attire, this watch adapts seamlessly. It's ideal for the man who wants cutting-edge tech without sacrificing sophistication. If you're over 40 and care about your health, but also your style, the Scanwatch Horizon is the best of both worlds. 11. The vintage elegance pick, Citizen Bulova Sutton Automatic. Not every watch needs to be loud to make a statement. Sometimes subtlety and tradition are the most powerful forms of expression. That's exactly what the Bulova Sutton Automatic delivers, a vintage-inspired timepiece that blends classic aesthetics with modern reliability. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you can see the attention to detail. The white dial is crisp and clean, with elegant gold-tone markers and hands that harken back to an era of true gentleman style. And the brown leather strap ties everything together, giving the watch a soft, timeless appeal that works beautifully in fall, winter, and even warm summer evenings. One standout feature is the open heart window on the dial, which reveals the automatic movement underneath. It's not just beautiful, it's a nod to the craftsmanship inside. This is a mechanical watch powered by the movement of your wrist. No batteries, no charging, just old-school watchmaking done right. Wear it with a camel coat, wool trousers, and boots for that sophisticated cold weather look, or throw it on with a crisp white shirt and slacks for a business casual vibe. It's the kind of piece that feels like it's been in your collection for years, even when it's brand new. If you appreciate vintage charm, mechanical soul, and everyday wearability, the Bulova Sutton belongs in your rotation. Every great outfit needs a finishing touch, and a watch does more than just complete the look. It speaks to your character, your style, and your attention to detail. You'll find links to every watch featured in this video down in the description. Yes, some of them are a bit of an investment, but they're built to last and worth every penny. These aren't impulse buys. They're pieces that grow with you, elevate your wardrobe, and quietly command respect. Check them out below and find the one that fits your style. Trust me, when you wear a great watch, people notice.